Hello my people, you are highly welcome to this training. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us some of the mistakes that many of us are doing while mining hot airdrop that could possibly lead to us losing all the hot token that we have mined. There are certain things that when a project is about to list, they looked at these things to decide who are those that should be able to qualify for the airdrop or those that should receive the airdrop. The first mistake many of us are making is not to use the product that is being released or rolled out by the project developers that we are mining their airdrop. Take, for example, as Hot have launched several projects. If you see here, all right, you can see that here they have this market project, they have their hot wallet, and they have their hot craft. Okay, so each of these projects that they have launched, it is important that as a miner of this particular token, all right, you need to make use of them. You may not be able to make use of all of them, all right, but at least interact with one or two. This will help you to build your credibility. Okay, now, the next thing we're going to do is also we are going to liaise with, we are going to be making use of other projects that they are in partnership with. They may not be the one that have listed them, or they may not be the one that have created them, but provided that they're in partnership with such projects, it is also important that we interact with those projects. And one of the projects that I'll be focusing my attention today on is called Happy Score. All right. They have made it clear that Happy Score is one of the criteria they are going to be using, all right, to determine those that are not robots and those that are robots. And if you have not minted your own Happy Score, you could be at the risk of losing your entire hot token that you have mined. We have mined this token for almost 2 years right now, and it will be very wrong or bad for any one of us after investing so much time and energy in farming this coin, all right, for we to now lose out because of a simple mistake that we could have corrected. So let me show you guys why I said this happy score is very important. So as you can see, I am uh on the hot telegram. All right, I'm on their hot telegram, their updates telegram. This is where they release and drop any new update that they are having or that they are releasing. So first, let's search here now, and we're going to search for happy. Okay, we are going to search for happy score and save. Okay, so I'll just search for happy score right now. Now you can see that happy score is mentioned about 11 times in their update, okay, in their update channel. So let's watch and see. Let's look at this first one. You can see here, if you look, they say we are excited to announce that that very soon we'll be able to meet you will be able to mint your total trust score, and in return you will receive a drop of score token. That is first. Now if we go up there, we can see now, you can see new fire drop filter, happy score blocks bots by setting a trust score filter. All right. So you can see what they are saying, that this particular happy score helps them to block bots. Okay. So let's go again and see. Now, this is when they were doing their US mem bank, something that has to do with this and this. We have previously minted this NFT. I was a holder of this NFT. So look at what they say here now. If you scroll down, you can see, don't forget, bankers with a happy score of 21 plus will receive US mem bonus when opening their bank. Okay, so now you can see they are making it clear that people that have this social amount of score are going to receive. Let's go again. Now, if we scroll down, we'll also see here, you can see, and here is the best part. When you open your bank and meet your score, you will receive a US bonus ticket, this and that and that. So you can see they keep mentioning this because it's a criteria for them. Now, new collection on Hot Mint. All right, so you can see terms. Happy score near network must be 40 and above. All right, so for you to get this MITT Midterm something, I think is a token or NFT, you have to have an happy score on the near network of over 40. All right, and then they can see the price there. So let's go again. Let's look for. You can see here. You see here, Hot Moon Season 2 has begun. Changes in Season 2 added this, and if you scroll down to the let me say limited, but now only users with 25 happy score and above point can play. All right. So I just to save us time, you can see clearly that they are using this happy score as a filter to filter people they consider as bots from people they consider as genuine users. So it is important for us to mint this. So now that I have established the importance of the happy score, I'm not going to take us to the back office where we are going to mint our own happy score. So first I'll open my hot wallet now. And if you look at my hot wallet, you can see that my hot wallet here, I have about $11 right here, and my hot wallet balance is above 1,643. Now, to get to your happy score, you need to come to the app session. So once you come to your app session, if you come to your app session here, all right, you open the app session. Now, for you, you might not see it appearing under your recent, but you will definitely see it under the NFT section, all right, which is here. You will see it under the NFT section. So I'm going to select here since I have been using it. So I'm going to select this and I'll click open. So once I click open, it will connect to my wallet, all right, to my hot wallet. Remember, I'm using my hot wallet on my Telegram app, okay, on my Telegram app. So if you are using the hot token mobile app, so what you do is that when you get to this point, it will ask you to connect your uh your wallet. So all you need to do, just click on connect. It will take you to your Telegram, and then you will sign the transaction there and it will be connected. Then you can be able to view it on your mobile app. But I prefer to use my Telegram hot wallet to just do it since it's the same. So you can see here now, I have not minted mine. So on my near, there is there is uh, there is happy score for several blockchain. So there's happy score for Ton, happy score for Base, happy score for Lina, happy score for BS, happy score for Solana, happy score for Arbitrum Stellar and Ethereum. Now, for me, I've been using the Near wallet more often than all these other blockchains. So that's why you can see that on my Near wallet, my happy score is 43 over 100. All right. So if you want to mint, all you need to do is just come here, click on the place that says mint now, all right, and they will charge you 0.4 linear. You can see 0.4 linear, which is about 1.24 US dollar. All right, so for with 1.24 US dollar, you can secure your place in this airdrop that we are already farming. Okay, so another thing I would like to also let us understand is this: as how do you now, many of you might ask yourself, okay, maybe you have come to this place and you discover that your own happy score might be like 10, 15, 20, 30, or even above 40. All right, and you want to increase it because this can move from 400 to 100, but mine is at 43. So how do you increase your happy score? show us how to do it. You can increase your happy score by performing tasks on this platform. E.g., you can increase your happy score by depositing into your account. You can increase your happy score by staking your token. You can also increase your happy score by bridging your token. So if you bridge an asset from near to another blockchain, your happy score will increase. If you stake your token, your happy score will increase. If you make deposits, your happy score will increase. If you swap token, your happy score will increase. And I think each transaction you can only earn a happy score per transaction you do. So let's say if you go and you swap two tokens in a day. If you let's say I swap USDT and then I swap near to USDC, I am not going to be rewarded twice. I will only receive once. And even if I continue to swap for the rest of the day, it's only one happy score that will be added to my happy score. Okay. So with that being said, don't go and start swapping because we are not going to earn like that. I think they only reward it once you earn one happy score by each transaction you do per day. For one transaction you do per day. All right. So I hope you guys understand this. For me, I am not going to be minting mine now. All right, but I will be minting. I'm not going to be minting mine now. I want to see if I can get my happy score to at least 45 to 50. Once my happy score get to 45 to 50, I will mint it, and then that will be all for it. So guys, don't sleep on this. Go ahead and try it out. Okay, go ahead, try it out. Check your happy score and know what is your happy score, and then use these strategies that I just mentioned now to equally increase your happy score. So I just want to show us something on the turn. So if I click on turn now, if I select turn, you will see it will check through the turn to know what will be my happy score. And you can see my happy score on turn is 0. And that is because I have not been making use of the turn. If you check base, it will say my base on will still be 0 because I have not been using my base wallet. All right. So the wallet you are be using for long should be the wallet you should get the highest trust score, and then you can mint on that one. So if I switch back to now, you can see where my happy score is. So that will be all for now. Thank you guys. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment and I will get back to you guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day.